Today we're gonna mix some nutrients for 15 gallons, transplant our baby lettuce into the big system. Also, we're gonna check on the baby Bok-Choy in the cooler. We have a lot to do today, so let's get it done. Okay folks, we got 15 gallons of water in here, and we're gonna mix some nutrients at about 1/3 strength for 15 gallons. We're gonna grow some lettuce. So I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of the master blend. Mix it till it's dissolved. And simply just add it in. The pump is running, so it'll automatically pump it through the system and mix it up. Now we're going to do the Epsom salt. Epsom salt, I'm going to do 1 teaspoon. We'll also mix this till it's dissolved, completely dissolved. Just add it in. And 2 teaspoons of the calcium nitrate. Okay, now that I added in my nutrients, we'll go ahead and transfer that into these, put it in the system. This system holds 45 plants, so let's get to it, shall we? Don't forget to catch next week's update. We'll be planting these baby cucumber seedlings into the cracky buckets. Thanks for watching.